How do marine creatures help store carbon in the ocean? The NERC BIO Carbon Programme aims to answer this through three challenges.
The first challenge is to work out how marine life influences the ability of seawater to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Seawater is very good at absorbing carbon dioxide. However, this ability can be helped or hindered by a property called alkalinity. Higher alkalinity means that the ocean can absorb more carbon dioxide. We already know that certain organisms can affect alkalinity. Both microscopic plants called coccolithophores and fish create chalky material which affects it. What we don't know is how large an impact they have.
The second challenge is to understand what controls the rate at which phytoplankton use the dissolved carbon dioxide to grow. Although phytoplankton are microscopic, they are so abundant that their conversion of carbon dioxide to new phytoplankton fuels the majority of life in the sea. Phytoplankton are eaten by small animals, which in turn are eaten by larger ones, and so on, up to whales and giant squid. What was carbon dioxide becomes the incredible diversity of life in the ocean. Collectively, the amount of carbon stored is huge. Yet we still don't know how this fundamental process of converting carbon dioxide into living creatures will change in response to our shifting climate.
The final challenge is to understand how the ocean holds on to carbon. The carbon trapped in the marine ecosystem will not remain there forever. Death and a variety of natural processes generate a large amount of waste. This material will decompose, releasing the carbon as carbon dioxide once more, but it still needs to return to the surface before it can escape to the atmosphere. Depending on how deep in the ocean the decomposition occurs, this return can take days or hundreds of years. We still understand little about how and where this decomposition takes place.
By tackling these three challenges, biocarbon will allow us to understand not just how life in the sea helps store carbon, but how this may change in the future.